Hello guys, welcome to Exam Days. In this video, we are going to discuss about uh, GPSC exam calendar, which is Gujarat Public Service Commission uh, exam calendar information. So regarding the 2020-21, 2021-22, and 2022-23, all the calendar information will be we going to discuss today on this video. So this is a exam days page where we're going to update on regular information about GPSC exam calendar 2022, 23 and old calendar also. So today in this video there is a important date regarding for the GPSC examination. The last date is given for the GPSC, which is May 31, 2022 for the various exam information such as GPSC lecturer, GPSC police inspector, and GPSC industrial advisors, and GPSC administrative services. And these are the main important notification under the class 1 and class 2 post, which have very high paid salaries and also which are permanent post in Gujarat state. So these are the notification will come in comes in the first quarter of 2022. So Gujarat is already given one calendar information regarding the. So these are the main important class 1 class 2 post. And apart from these posts, there is another important notification also already released, which is ongoing on for the recruitment and online application process, which are the GPSC notification, which are the class 1 post, and those prelims and means examination schedule are given here. Prelims examination details and means examination details, which are available on the exam calendar, and GPSC SO examination dates, which are tentatively given all the dates. Let's look into all the information regarding the one by one about GPSC exam calendar. So let's look into the official website for the Gujarat Public Service Commission. Just I'm navigating this official website, which is called GPSC. Here is the official website name, gpsc.gujarat.gov.in. So this is the official website name. So I'm going to navigating to this official website. Here is the official website name. Yeah, well, this is the website is open, and here is this. You can see the right side, which is the calendar information, exam schedule, and apply online and answer keys, syllabus, various OMR sheets and marks, and results information, and download call letters and media press release. These are the 9 types of services available on the official website. Apart from these, you can see the latest news and events information. If I click this one, you will see all the information regarding the examinations. See this here, final stage 38/222 2020-21. These are the information, and eligibility list for the interview, and list of eligible candidate for the application scrutiny, and advertisement. This is advertisement, these are advertisement. These are the official, all the information is available for the candidate who are willing to applying for the Gujarat Public Service Commission post. So let's look into the calendar information. Let's come into the back and click on the calendar link. Yeah, here is the calendar information. Just zoom in. Yes, the zoom in information here. This is the calendar information as given. See, this is the post name and the post dates, and this is the notification date, and the post name and the date and time, all examination information. So one by one, all the information is listed out on this notification. You can go through all the complete notification, and you can get these are the dates and exam date and notification date, and all the information and regarding these dates are listed out here. You can download this page directly from using this official link. and we are going to mentioning this official link under this video description box. You can go through the box and you can download all the information. So here is next we going to check exam schedule. Yeah, well, these are the exam schedule. Just having zooming out. Yes, this is a zoom in. Yes, here is the exam name and exam schedule, and this is an information about how we where we going to apply and how we going to apply, and what are the important dates for the exam, notification, post. So these are all information clearly mentioned by the commission website. So here is the C, you can see the website. Here is the C information. Yes, this is information. This is a post name and information, and June, July, monthly. If I see the for the December wise, December month, once again you can go through the year. Yes, this is a December. If you check the December, here is see, you can see administrative services and number of posts. Here is given number of posts. All information is clearly given. Just one second. Yes, see, this is advertisement number of posts, and the tentative date for the preliminary examination. And we go back to the December. Yes, here is the December, and here is the administrative service examination date, and here we can see assistant manager, deputy director, and these Gujarat Statistical Services class 1, and here is the exam date, and these are the number of posts, all the details which are mentioned clearly on this exam calendar. And if you go through the other post incomplete in the January 2022, here the list of post and list of advertisement number and the post names, and here the exam dates are clearly mentioned, and these are the main examinations, and these are the examination dates. See here, this is the complete information regarding the 2021-22 calendar information. If you already applied for the examinations who are waiting for the December and January examination, you can download this sheet and you can keep it this for the reference purpose, and you check out which post and which examination and particular date. So there's a list of information are clearly mentioned in this calendar. So further information, we going to insert all the data on exam days page on the time to time, and update process for the candidate, so reference process. So if you check if you check the GPSC recruitment process, which is a preliminary examination and a mains examination, and followed by the personal interview. These are the main 3 steps which are important. Personal interview should be only for the class 1 and class 2 post, which are highly important, like administrative services and some tax information services. They are the high status post will be interviewed by the interview panel only for the shortlisted candidates. On class 3 post, which are not required any interview, just written exam password is enough. So list of information and all the details which are mentioned on these links, you can go through the information. You can check these important dates. If still you are looking for this calendar, you can download this information, and I am giving this sheet link in the description box. You can download directly. So these are the regarding the calendar and exam schedule. If you are if you want to apply for the online, yes, here is an so recruitment is open. There is no once again we will check out the advertisements. If any ongoing advertisement is available, yes, here is there. These are the ongoing advertisement where you can apply online before last date. As per these dates, you can apply. You can apply by using this link, online apply link. So the advertisement in all the information is given. You can simply go to the website advertisement and check which post you are eligible, appropriate post, and you can check the notification details, and you can apply for the examination and so remaining process. So if you come to back, yeah, this is the information, yes, and you can check the syllabus. So the post-based syllabus is given by the commission, Suppose say so GPT Executive Engineering, just click on this link and you will get the complete syllabus here. So you can get syllabus in the local language as well as in English. All the information is given here. So this is the way you can download the syllabus also. So all the information you can get it here, and you can get answer keys and with question papers also. So simply you can get previous question papers here also. So these are the information as given. So you can download from here. Suppose if you click on any key, so you will get directly a PDF document. Yes, this is a key for the particular post. This is the post, some inspector post. So likewise you can get the any post answer keys here. So and the syllabus is over and answer key verification is over, and how to apply is over. Next you can check the marks, and apart from this you can check the result, and you can download the call letter or admit card. So these are the main important 9 sources as given here for the candidate reference process. Different candidate reference purpose. You can use this option and get all the information on one click. So this is the main information regarding the GPSC exam calendar. If still you have any question, you can comment on this video comment box and we will get back to you. And you can get this page link on the description box and use the link and get all the information. Thank you.